Alright, y'all, today it's your boy Swerving Bino, and we out here with another video, and we doing this thing. We doing a blood versus crips. It's gonna be like blood versus crips car chase. You see, I'm the only blood here today, and you got my boys right here. You got this Duco Death. I'm kind of scared of this, and then I'm gonna like drive somewhere. I'm gonna like drive somewhere that's not like far, and then I'm like, come on. So let's get into the video. Let's go, boys.
Let's go, baby.
Alright, look, as soon as I say go, go.
Come here, boy.
Ready?
Tommy.
Oh, look, you see the interior of my car, that's red too. Alright, ready? Come get me, boys.
You gotta get him right at the start.
If y'all can catch me.
I get you. Only got two.
Do y'all see him behind me? No, he's not behind me.
I almost ran myself off the bridge.
Oh, he almost hit me. Oh my goodness.
Come on. Zentorno, why you get in my way? Big truck, come on, man.
Ah, he got me.
Ricky, keep him there.
Oh yeah, and, no. Oh yeah, and by the way, whoever get me pinned, and then they like kill me, like pin me, then kill me. They get to be the blood. So whoever pin me and kill me, but that means that all y'all gotta pin me and lock me up, and then whoever kill me gets to be the blood. Oh, he came my car.
You going to jail, please?
I'm not going nowhere.
You killed my homeboy too.
They tweaking. Y'all know y'all can't catch me. Ooh, highway love.
I'm good. Move over.
I'm slowing down for y'all to get. Oh, look at them kids. No. 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 I'm out of there, boy. Aha. Out of there. No. Big truck, you can't catch me. Kalani, you trash.
No, baby. Ricky, why you hit the push the Jeep to me?
So trash. Get out of here.
Faster, truck.
I'm gonna slow down for him.
I'm putting the pedal to the metal.
The front of this, it's so. Oh! No! Thanks for the boost. No! It's like running back, but it's like on a highway.
I got him. Watch it.
You can't catch me. This car costs 1.4 mil. Alright, look. As soon as we get off the highway, y'all can use the explosives. As soon as we get off the highway, y'all can use explosives. Look at him back there thinking he don't catch me.
No, I did.
I'm scared to get off the highway because they got heckin' explosives. I'm so spooked. Oh, by the way, yeah, we can use guns.
Where's Bonnie at, bro? I tipped. Over the bridge. And then I fell off the highway. No!
I'm gone, boys. He flew past me. Oh, they're gonna Dukes. No! No! No, I made my own self fly. All you gotta do is pin me, dude. All y'all gotta do is pin me. Ah. That's 1 point for Z, man. Yep, you a blood now. Yes, you do. You gotta draw my card and I gotta draw yours. Alright, y'all. We finna go drive to the mechanic shop. Let's go get our cars fixed. Come on, y'all, let's go. Come on. Go to Los Santos Customs so we can get our cars fixed.
Which one?
The one that we had, the one we started the video at.
And it's not in the city. Go to the one that's not in the city.
This car is done for. Wait, let me stop and get a look at this. Just look at that. Oh, this car is done for. I think the video is gonna be like, the max of this video is gonna be like 10 minutes.
Matter of fact,
We might drop a part 2, but then we might use something else. We should do like role plays.
I'm like,
Come on, y'all. We ain't got that much time. But we got like 3 minutes left for the video because the max time of this is like just. All right, y'all, but look, we gonna have to be fast. All right, come on. Just me and him are repairing our cars. I ain't drove with Torno in a minute. All right, come on. All right, you get in my car, get in yours. Come on. Look at these glitching dudes. Just the glitching. Come on. All right, get in my car. I hate this. I really do hate the color blue.
What?
Because it's so trash. Come on, y'all. All right, go.
Go, Ryan. No, when I say go, I'm going to get Ani. Go.
Get him. Get him.
Is it fast, Ryan?
Bro, what you talking about? My car always be faster than the yellow bone car.
Now, here y'all go about these cars.